Picture yourself. It's 1980. Where are we at on that? 6? 1985.
There was a sculptor, and he found this stone, a special stone. He dragged it home, and he worked on it for months, until he finally finished and created a great statue. And the sculptor said he hadn't created anything. The statue was always there. He just cleared away the small pieces. John, I'm sorry they sent you to such a hellhole.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, you have, haven't you?
Look for the subtlety.
John, I told you that I'd help you when I could. You interested?
You interested? He's acting right now, and it's important that you see this acting happen. Look at all
And
the
here,
eyes.
at least I know where I stand. At least I know where I stand.
That's right.
Just
He's eye
hear me
acting
out
the shit
first.
out of this scene. Dramatic eye acting.
Why now? Why me?
He wasn't acting like he was thinking about something. You know what I mean? You saw that, right? He was thinking about
We
something.
get to win this time?
In the middle, in
interested?
a handshake. Thinking about it.
Yeah.
He was having a thought. He was having a legitimate thought. You can't act a thought. The down is the doubt. The out, that's the future. That's the opportunity that's being presented. But you don't trust Troutman.
The war, everything that happened here may be wrong, but damn it, don't hate your country for it.
You've been through here, but you don't trust the army anymore. You're John J. motherfucking Rambo. They knew they wanted a franchise, and he really fought about it. And so you're in one of the worst prisons in America, all right? America's left you behind. Rambo. The doubt's down there at your feet. All the lies they told you before. The whole platoon's gone. Danforth died in Nam. Didn't even know it. That dramatic eye acting.
Find him, or I'll find you.
Deliver to me, are you interested?
Are you interested?
Yeah. Give me one more.
Are you interested?
Whoa! Yeah.
Magic.
The process. Do what you want to do. As in all things, we're trying to make triangles, right? Takes 3 points to make a shape. Same with an emotion. An emotion's a shape. Okay? Points are elements of that conveyance. And we're all talking about physical expression, okay? I don't know what's really happening inside of you. We're not dealing with reality, okay? We're acting. Quickly, take me to the president. Okay? Reality's too much. You know, it's just fractal in reality, okay? Mm-hmm. Let's just focus on pretending to have emotions. I love it so much. I love it so much. Whoa. I'm getting dizzy. But as you become more familiar with pretending to have emotions, muscle in his body. Murdoch. I'm coming to get you.
I'm coming to get you.
I'm coming to get you. That is totally wrong. Texas Coalition Video Club of America. Work in progress, always.